Dear students, GATE preparation strategy for EC branch in 70 days. Short-term preparation. See, you know, most of the college going students will be very busy in their campus placements. But still they may be interested in writing this GATE exam because GATE has got number of advantages and it gives various opportunities. So in these 70 days, sir, when it is going to be conducted? You all know Saturday 15th February 2025, the afternoon session. So now we are going to take up this topic with our subject expert, Mr. Gnaneshwar, who will take up this session with these aspects, the planning. How to plan in the coming 70 days? How many hours you have to prepare? What subjects are to be focused, like that. So planning. The next one is weightages. So there are certain subjects which will have more weightage compared to other subjects. Of course, we can't say because IITs may change their weightage pattern, but in general, keeping in you the past few years GATE papers, you can understand the weightages. Then topics to be focused. So in every subject, there may be some important topics which will have a repetitive nature. Means 3 years back, a question appeared in some chapter. There is every chance. There are certain topics never covered in the past. So such things, untapped areas we say. So what are the topics to be focused? Then it is do's and don'ts. In these 70 days, what to do, what not to do. Even in the exam hall also, what to do, what not to do. So the last one is the time management. See, nothing beats time management. A guy who is an extraordinary in the subject might have done a lot of practice. But in the exam hall, suppose he is struck up with a particular problem. No use, na? See, a 1 mark question, how much time you are supposed to spend on it? So don't drag, don't waste your valuable time. So this time management also plays an important role, not only during the preparation, but also in the GATE exam. Now, our subject expert, Mr. Gnaneshwar Gaud, will take over the session.
Thank you, sir. Now, yes, it is our session, last 7 days preparation roadmap, GATE EC branch. Last 70 days preparation. First for this one, now we require the planning, dear. Planning here. 1 hour of planning can save 10 hours of doing. Last 70 days, we can, if you plan perfectly, you can create the wonders, dear. You can create the wonders. For this one, burning desire is required. Burning desire, plan of action, then we can achieve the, easily you can get the success, dear. So these 70 days, you have to struggle. Whatever you are struggling today, you are developing the strength that is required for tomorrow, dear students. Now observe here. Yes, I'll start with one motivation quotation. The struggle, whatever you are today, is the developing the strength that is required for tomorrow. So don't give up to GATE exam, dear. Don't give up here. Now, don't give up. Yes, with this motivation, I'll start the planning here. First, what is the weightage syllabus, dear? GATE weightage analysis. Wow, nice. Yes, I'm keeping outside just to observe this video. Now, yes, total weightage you can see. Total weightage you can see from 2012 to 2024 year. You know, this year GATE is IIT Roorkee is conducting. So previously it is conducted 2017. Now observe the marks weightage here continuously here. Now the weightage for general aptitude continuously 15 marks, mathematics 11 marks. Now 2024 marks and 2017 you can compare. So we'll discuss in detailed version one by one subject here. One by one subject we'll discuss here. Now coming to first one, GATE 2024 cutoff year. For EC branch, general 25 marks, OBC 22.5. This is a 16.66 year. 16.6 year. Now easily you can score the 25 marks. If you prepare the maths and aptitude, you can score the 25 marks. If you prepare more 3 subjects here, now you can get the success. Okay, you can get the 45 marks easily, dear. If you score 45 marks, almost all you get the top NITs and some IITs also. So one by one we'll discuss. First subject, network theory. It is a scoring subject and basics for many other subjects also. Basics for many other subjects. Now, okay, first one, important topics to focus here. Based upon the previous paper analysis, now first topic, basics here. In the basics, what are the topics we need to study? KCL, KVL, nodal analysis, mesh analysis. Now, practice at least two questions from the basics, compulsory one question here. Compulsory one question from the basics here. Next one here, regularly asking question from the network theorems. 2 marks questions here. 2 marks question from network theorems. Now, next topic here, AC circuit analysis. From this topic, there is a 1 mark question and 2 marks question. 3 marks. By observing the previous papers, now 3 marks we're getting AC circuit analysis. If you are standard, if you're strong in the AC circuit analysis, then analog circuit also becomes simple here. These basics are useful in the analog circuit also. AC circuit analysis. Next, transient circuit analysis questions. 2-port network parameters. It is easy topic. Hardly 3 to 4 hours is required. You'll get the easily you can score your 2-port network. Simple topic here. This is about the network theory. Now, 8 to 10 marks you can expect here. Expecting marks. Next year, one more subject, control system here. Okay, it is a scoring subject, not only scoring, interest as well, this subject. Around 8 to 10 marks scoring subject here. Now, what are the topics you need to focus here? Block diagram, signal flow graph. Here, if you learn the Mason's gain formula, you can solve block diagram as well as signal flow graph. 1 bullet, 2 enemies, only single. 1 formula, Mason's gain formula, then you can solve the SFG, block diagram. From these 2 chapter, 1 question here. 1 question we can expect. Next, time response. From the time response, basically the questions are asking mainly focus steady state error for step input, ramp input, parabolic input. Now, okay, steady state error. And the second topic goes to the time domain specifications. Compulsory 1 question from the time response. Previous paper analysis, compulsory 1 question. Regularly the questions are asking from time response. So I'll keep the year compulsory question from the time response here. Previous paper analysis I'm telling. Yes, next one, RH and root locus, Routh-Hurwitz method. From RH method, the questions are asking, find the range of K values for stability. There are 3 to 4 models are there. In that, find the range of K values for stability. From RH method, focus more here. RH method, very simple. Take the K, find the range of K values for stability. Root locus, mainly concentrating on the construction rules of the root locus here. In the construction rules of the root locus, first one goes to priority, angle of departure. Angle of departure and break points you have to practice more dear. More here, root locus, angle of departure as well as break point here, focus more here. And also they'll give the root locus which of the following the trans function. These questions are asking the root locus here. Next to Bode plot and Nyquist plot. This comes under the frequency domains. In the Bode plot, majorly they're asking one Bode plot, inverse Bode plot related question. They'll ask the which of the following is the now trans function to the given Bode plot. And one more questions here, gain margin, phase margin related. Gain margin, phase margin, 3 topics you have to focus. One is the inverse Bode plot, one is gain margin, phase margin here. Now in the Nyquist plot, what topics here? Generally they're asking number of encirclement with respect to the -1 plus J0. Number of encirclement with respect to the -1 plus 0 for closed loop system stability, Nyquist closed loop system stability here. The questions are asking from this topic. State space, simple chapter. Mathematics, if you know the matrix is strong, then state space becomes simple here. In this chapter, what topics are asking mainly? Controllable to observability. Most important here, controllable to observability. And the second topic goes to the trans function of the state space here. Then state transition matrix. If you focus this one, easily you can score 8 to 10 marks here. 8 to 10 marks. This is about the control system here. Control system subject. Now, next to one more beautiful subject, signals and system. One more beautiful subject is signals and system. Now, you can expect 9 to 11 marks here. This is a basic subject for the communication here. Communication. Yes. Mostly you have to concentrate on the properties. In order to get the command over the subject, you need to strong in the properties, dear. Properties, mainly properties. What are the properties? In all chapters, they're asking only properties. Strong in the properties. Now, yes, properties like shifting property, convolution property, and Parseval's theorem, they're asking focusing in all the chapters, these three, okay, properties here. Now, next one, here, what are the topics you need to focus? LTI system, convolution of discrete signals, practice more. Next one, Fourier series. In the chapter, time shifting, time scaling, eigenvalues, eigenfunctions. Now, next, Fourier transform. In this one, all are important. Sampling theorem, Nyquist rate, regular questions from sampling theorem and Nyquist rate to find the area, autocorrelation, rect function, sampling function, sampling. So, these are the topics you need to focus from the Fourier transform here. Fourier transform. Next, DTFT. Decide the nature of the filter. The given, okay, whether a low pass filter, high pass filter, that is the nature of the filter we need to find here, DTFT. Next, Laplace and jet transform, mainly concentrate ROC examples, causality and stability. These are the subject called signals and system. Now, it is also scoring subject. Next one, electronic devices. Around you can expect 10 to 12 marks here. It is a core subject. It is a core subject. Better I'll recommend the subject prepare morning hours. Around morning 6 to 11 o'clock you have to prepare electronic device. Whatever network controls signals you can prepare afternoon session, dear. Afternoon session. But the subject, this one, prepare morning session, morning hours. So in this one, what are the topics you need to focus? This is a mass diode and mass capacitance questions are asking. Frequently they're asking the questions from this this topic. And optoelectron devices. Okay, focus more. And Fermi energy levels, slope in energy band here. These are the topics you need to concentrate. And the generation of recombination. If you strong this topic, easily you can score around 10 to 12 marks in this core subject here. Okay, fine. This is about the electron devices. Now, low level injection, carrier transport here. Analog circuits, one more, okay, nice subject. Now, you can expect 8 to 10 marks here. What are the topics you need to focus? In this one, yes, compulsory question and problem on DC analysis of MOSFET. Problems, numerical on the DC MOSFET. If you observe the previous paper, they're asking the question on the DC analysis of the MOSFET. And not only DC analysis here, AC analysis also one more questions. Okay, one more numericals, AC analysis. What type of questions are asking here? Find the R in RO, AV, AI here. These are the questions are asking from the AC analysis of MOSFET here. Next, basic diode circuits. Okay, find the clipper, clamper, transfer function here. Transfer characteristics. Next, op-amp. Basically, you need to find the with a negative feedback and positive feedback. Op-amp problem with a negative feedback, positive feedback. Regularly questions are asking on the op-amp. Without op-amp, there is no question paper. Without op-amp, there is no question paper previously. So practice more here, negative feedback and positive feedback here. With the positive feedback, negative feedback, if you practice, there is a chance of getting marks here. And one more topic is BZ analysis. From last 5 years, there is no question, BZ analysis. But electrical people, they're asking. Those who are writing dual paper, only for them electrical people here. Electrical people only, BZ analysis here, they're asking. Okay, that is only for electrical people, BZ analysis. This is about the analog circuits here, analog circuits. Next, digital circuits. One more interesting subject here, a digital circuit. Now, scoring subject here. Yes, what are the topics you need to concentrate on digital? Now, counters, they're asking majorly find the modulus of the counter. Modulus of the counter, after how many clock cycles same state repeats, that is the modulus of the counter. And questions are on the Morse logic and FSM. Next, resistors. Resistors also question A to D converters and S and H also, they're asking questions here. Now, combination law circuit, in this chapter, basically more practice, more practice, most important practice here, multiplexer here, multiplexer. This topic practice 2 to 3 times here in the combination circuits. Decoder also you can practice, but first top priority goes to the multiplexer. Previous paper analysis, by observing the previous paper analysis, multiplexer topics they're asking questions here. Now, logic gates. Now, simplifications is required here. Now, next one, complements here. Basically, you have to concentrate two's complement here. Two's complement. Now, complements topic. If you concentrate this one, easily you will score there around 8 marks here. That is about the digital circuits here. Digital circuits. Next, computer organization. 2 marks. They're constant. Okay, 2 marks here. Number of marks here, 2 marks. Now, here I given the topic according to priority. First one is the first top priority. Yes, first top priority you have to study first this topic. I'm not providing the like chapter wise. Top priority for instruction format, second priority for the instruction pipelining. These two topics, okay, thoroughly practice, and floating point numbers. Then if you have the time, you can go for CP performance measures also dear. This is a okay about the computer organization subject. Next, electromagnetics. Generally, students feel that the subject is a difficulty, but if you prepare systematically, it is a sweetest subject in the EC branch. It is a sweetest subject and a rank deciding factor. Remaining subject, all people will prepare, but generally they give the okay, they leave this subject and communication, but rank deciding factor. If you want IIT, confirm. If you want IIT, along with that other subject, you have to prepare the EMTL also. EMT also. Electromagnetics. Around 8 marks we can expect here. Yes, here basically the questions are integral form, okay, differential form here. Questions from Gauss law and Ampere's law, okay, differential form, integral forms. Next to asking type of polarization like linear polarization or elliptical or circular polarization. Questions are asking from the polarizations here. Now you're asking to find the dominant waveguide cutoff frequency here. Now next one, impedance transformation. They will give the lengths here. We need to find the impedance transformation. Now by lambda by 8 length, all this length with that one we need to find the impedance transformation. Smith chart. Questions are asking on the Smith chart. Find the okay open circuit and okay open short circuit and pure capacitor, pure inductor, extreme left to extreme point, right extreme points. That questions are asking from the Smith chart here. Now next one. Yes, these are the questions. And also here antenna topic, directivity also they're asking focus. So many parameters are there in the antenna. One of the parameters is directivity. So from that also they're asking the question. Okay, fine. Communication, it is also one of the core subject for you. Core subject for EC branch. Communications, expecting 10 to 12 marks here. So it is a vast syllabus. That is the reason why in the 70 days preparing is difficulty. So here I am providing priority order here. This is a top priority based upon the previous paper analysis. So top priority, possible weightage for each topic also we provided here. Now priority order here. First to prepare this topic here, 2 marks, possible weightage. This is only possible expecting only. Now this is a communication subject here. Now complete. Yes, about the communications here. Now after the communication and technical subjects, next we'll go for the mathematics. Generally students will give the less priority for the maths and aptitude here. That is the biggest mistake by the you people here. Less weightage for the more weightage, 10 to 13 marks you're getting. Sometimes we'll get the 15 marks also. You see, I think if you strong in the mathematics, that useful for the other subject also. Signal system becomes simple, control system becomes simple here. Okay, strong foundation. And also probability, if you are strong in the mathematics in the probability, that becomes communication becomes simple here. So first my priority, give the top priority for the engineering maths also. So in this one, what are the topics we need to focus? Okay, you need to focus linear algebra here. Okay, type of equations here. Okay, here you will get the many unique solution, many infinite solution like that. Good. To find this one, you need to command over the rank of the matrix. Rank of the matrix and determinant of the matrix. Okay, you must have the basics about the rank, how to find the rank of the matrix and the determinant of the matrix. Next to eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Dear students, here basically you have to use the simple one. Better to use the properties. Here to eliminate this option, better to use the properties like sum of the eigenvalues equal to trace of the matrix. Sum of the eigenvalues equal to trace of the eigenvalues. That is a property, one property, and one more property, product of eigenvalues equal to det of the matrix. Better use the properties, okay, to eliminate the options here to select the correct answer. Eigenvalues. Next, this is advanced topic, vector space. Limits. While finding the limits, focus on the L'Hospital rule here. Focus on the L'Hospital rule. Now, next to vector calculus. This is a simple topic. First order and second order, you will get the more. First order also in the control system. Network theory, you will get. Second order also, you will get the control system also, you will get the subject. Differential equation, simple topic. Next to complex variables here. The topic is a complex variables. Now, harmonic this function and also complex integrations here. Here, you need to focus the residues. And one more topic is there, that is a Okay, one more topic, probability and is, okay, probability, all are important. Next topic is the probability, dear. Probability. If you are strong in the probability, then communication subject becomes simpler. Next topic is the probability here. Now, concentrate these topics, then you can score easily 10 to 13 marks. That is a engineering mathematics for EC branch. Next, one more subject, general aptitude here. General aptitude scoring subject here. Now, around, okay, 15 marks, confirm, not around here, confirm 15 marks here. In this 15 marks here, in this 15 marks, around 10 marks here, numerical ability, around 5 marks, verbal ability here. What is the numerical ability here? Numerical ability now we'll observe. Around 10 marks, this is a 5 marks, around. Sometimes they are giving 9 marks here, 6 marks are, so around. Now, okay, what are the topics you need to focus? Reasoning, compulsory 2 marks here. Based upon the previous papers, 2 marks providing. What are the topics here? If you prepare this one, you'll get the 2 marks here. You'll get the 2 marks here, 2 marks here. Reasoning, 2 marks you're getting. Based upon the previous paper analysis, these topics they're asking 2 marks here. Next, these topics are asking either 1 mark or 2 marks. 1 or 2 marks. That is the reason I am writing 1 or 2 marks, but this is a compulsory 2 marks here. Regularly they're asking. Next, here, quantity, okay, this topic, 2 marks here. From this one, they're asking 2 marks here, and here, either 1 mark or 2 marks. 1 mark or 2 marks. 1 mark or 2 marks. If you learn this one, next one, okay, simplification, they're asking 1 mark only. Previous papers, by observing the previous papers, okay, 1 mark. Next, this is 100% 2 marks here. That is the reason I written 2 marks only. Data interpretation, 100% 2 marks. If you learn this one, you'll get the 2 marks here easily. This one, I think, if you are college already you have studied. This one, per placement point of view, already you have studied all these topics. So with a short duration, you can crack this one. Basic level, not in-depth level, basic level, with a shorter duration, you can crack there on 10 marks. If you prepare this one out of 10, at least you can score 7 marks. So there is a guarantee marks for the aptitude here. Okay, these are the topics from the previous marks. This is a 100% 2 marks here. 100% 2 marks here. Now, next for one more topic here is there. This is a, now from this topic 2 marks here. This topic here 2 marks are asking question. There are 2 marks from this topic here. So total this is the aptitude. Now one more, this is a English verbal ability. You have to focus this topic here. Basic English dear, not in depth here. If you have the strong in the 10+1, 10+2, easily you can score this marks here. So basic they're asking verbal ability here. This is the subject analysis. All the subject where you need to focus I given. Now scoring first we have to observe. Get cut-off marks will observe. EC branch 25 general, and this is a, yes, maximum if you observe 25. If you prepare mass, aptitude, easily you can score the 25 marks here. Observe once again. Now mass, aptitude itself, how many marks you're getting? 26 here. This one, engineering mass and general aptitude, easily you can prepare short duration 26, and according to me, you can, your wish, whatever the subject you are interested, you can prepare. If you are started just now, you are about to start right now, that students I am telling. Those who are studying from long time preparation, I'll recommend prepare all the subject to get the IIT. But those who are preparing right now, they want to start right now only to balance with the college and this GATE preparation. Along compulsory, these 2 subjects compulsory you have to prepare. Along with this one, you can prepare the some more 3 to 4 subjects. Easily you'll get the NIT seat here. NIT, you can place NIT. Okay, here this control system you can prepare, signals and system, and one more. Okay, any subjects you can prepare here, network theory also. If you add this one, you can score approximately 40 to 45 marks here. Now this is a paper. Preparation strategy. How to prepare this 70 days. 70 days. Everyone is having own strategy, but finally what I want to tell, utilize day effectively. The 70 days utilize effectively. According to me, after discussion with experts and after speaking with students, previous rankers, now I come up with one planning, preparation strategy. First to prepare the faculty notes. This is the do's. What don'ts here? Don't touch any textbooks here. Don't touch any textbook, no research work at this time here. Only prepare the faculty notes. Why? Because we have only 70 days. After preparing the faculty notes, better to write short notes. That is a crucial role. Prepare the short notes here. Prepare the short notes. How to prepare the short notes here? Now, complete time domain specification in the control system. How to prepare the short notes here? All the formulas in the same place here. So, No need to read all the 1 hour topic here. Simply within 1 minute you can see the topics here. How to find the time domain specifications here. This is short notes here. How to prepare the short notes here. After short notes preparation, practice ACE material if you have the time here. Practice ACE material. Next, revision needed. Continuously revision needed. How to revise? Okay, I'm going to provide the revision technique also. Revision is needed. Continuously revision is needed. Continuously revision is needed. Then write online test series. Many people are going to fail this too only. Many people are going to fail this too only. Write the online test series. How to write the online test series? I'm going to provide everything now shortly. Time management. Sir, what you will get, sir, if you write the online test series? So you can balance the time. Okay, how to manage the all the question within 3 hours here. That is the time management. Last point, 7.7 wonders like, okay, to create the wonders, this 70 days, 7 wonders you have to follow. Last point, difficulty for you, but you have to respect here. So these 70 days for you, difficulty, avoid social media, dear. Avoid social media. Avoid, if you use the word avoid also you feel difficulty. That is the reason why what I am telling here, what I am providing here. To crack the good rank, you should use the following only for knowledge sharing, dear. For knowledge sharing purpose only. Better avoid this 3, okay, up to gate exam. After gate exam, no problem, but up to gate exam, only use this 3 for knowledge sharing only. Try to, okay, avoid this social media and use only for knowledge sharing. Yes. Now, strategy for long-term preparing aspirants. Now, these students are writing GATE 2025 only, but they started long back, 1 year ago, 6 months ago, long-term students. There are another category, second type, that is a short beginners. Now, just now 1 month ago started, about to start for them, I'm going to provide next slide. Now, strategy for long-term preparing aspirants here. So, here, after discussing experts, after talking with the previous rankers, total 70 days here. 70 days, every day, you have to focus total 70 days only for GATE only. Only for GATE. Sacrifice all this one. In order to you want something means you need to sacrifice other things here. So you want IIT rank means you have to sacrifice other things. This 70 days. 70 days, minimum 12 hours. 12 hours you have to prepare. That is a confirm. 12 hours. 4 hours morning, 4 hours, 4 plus 4 plus 4. 3 subjects you have to prepare. 4 plus 4 plus 4. This 70 days, 12 hours also, 3 year. Formula 4 hours plus 4 hours plus 4 hours. In between you can take the rest also, no problem. But 3 subjects here, subject 1. This 4 hours is a subject 1 here. Subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. So better I recommend morning slot, better prepare the theory oriented subjects like EDC, EMTL, communication subject. Afternoon time, you'll get the sleep now. So better prepare control system, digital signals like that. Now, evening, night time, you have to prepare continuously up to 70 days. Continuously every day prepare maths and aptitude. 1 day maths, 1 day aptitude. Compulsory you have to prepare this 4 hours. Now, approximately how many hours you will get? So I'm counting every day 2 hours also rest. So 700 hours here. Okay, 700 hours I'm counting. Actually, I'm not counting 2 hours. So total how many subjects are there? How many subjects are there here? 10 subjects, including maths and aptitude. 10 subjects are there. So 70 hours for each subject here. 70 hours for each subject. Each subject is 70 hours here. In these 70 hours again divide into 2 here. The 70 hours, now 60 hours plus 10 hours. 60 plus 10 hours. This 10 hours, okay, 60 plus 70, okay. Now, instead of this one, let us, I am providing, instead of 70 days here, just wait a small, this 70 days, I am writing for the 60 days only here. 70 days, na? 60 days only I am counting. Why? Because last 10 days only for what you have to write, just to, now, last 10 days, 70 days, total 70 days, I am writing about 60 days plus 10 days. This last 10 days only for what? Revision. Don't touch the new topic. Don't touch the new topic. Revision every day revision. Morning 6 o'clock to afternoon 1 o'clock. And after the revision, now 2:30 to 5:30, 2:30 to 5:30, test, mock test, full length test. That is a test, full length test. Why? Because our GATE exam for EC branch 2:30 to 5:30, you need to tune to your brain and body 2:30 to 5:30 to the real-time experience. Our exam is 2:30 to 5:30. So you need to write the 2:30 to 5:30 only exam every day, 10 days. Now, half an hour you can take the rest, not half an hour, 1 hour you can take the rest. 6:30 or 7 o'clock, whatever you written the paper here, revision plus revision morning, you have to start 5 o'clock only, but I am writing 6 o'clock. 6 to 1 o'clock only revision for all the subject, 1 p.m. revision. Then after this 2:30 to 5:30, after writing test, now analysis of this test, what mistake you committed, in which part you are lagging. Better write the test series book here. Error books are test series book here. Analysis of this paper up to night 11 o'clock here. This is the last 10 days. Don't touch any textbook. This last 10 days. Last 10 days. Last 10 days. Now, right now, if you start now onwards, 60 days, this 60 days, 60 into everyday 12 hours here. Everyday 12 hours. How many hours you will get? Approximately 60 hours here, 600 hours here. 600 hours, I am not counting the 2 hours also, you can take the rest here. Now divide by 10, so how many hours you will get up to? So here 60 hours for each subject. 60 hours for each subject here. Whatever we are writing on the paper, you have to stick to this timetable. Stick to this timetable. Any relaxation, this 2 hours I am not counting. In that only you have to do the any other work. Stick to this one. Write on the paper. Stick on the your study room here. Every day, morning, evening, you have to watch this one. Prepare the timetable. 60 hours for each subject. This 60 hours also, don't read 60 hours completely. This 60 hours I am dividing you 40 hours plus 10 hours plus 10 hours here. 40 hours, 10 hours, 10 hours. Now I am teaching next two. Okay. This 60 hours I am dividing into 40 hours plus 10 hours plus 10 hours. These 40 hours you have to prepare the faculty notes. Faculty notes. Prepare the faculty notes and if possible write the short notes also. These 10 hours for class, for subject test, for this 10 hours for subject test. The test is consist of around 1.5 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes in this 10 hours plus 5 hours revision, 5 hours revision, 5 hours revision plus, now after revision, this 10 hours equal to 5 hours revision plus 1 hour 30 minutes test plus analysis, whatever you written the test analysis, total 3 around 10 hours here. First revision 1, this is a revision 1, revision 1, revision 1. Same thing follow the revision 2 also. These two are revisions here. Revision 1, revision 2 here. Revision 1, revision 2. 60 hours here. How to start the subjects, sir? How to start the subjects here? Now, here if you start the first time starting, it is according to me. First, if you start the network theory, let us, you better, start the network theory. If you start a network here, network. After finishing 40 hours, better write the revision, 10 hours revision. Revision means in this revision, this revision 10 hours means in this one, 5 hours revision, test plus analysis, total. Revision plus test plus analysis, 10 hours completed. Then remaining 10 hours is, keep in reserve. Start the second subject. Second subject is called as a control system. Suppose I am taking letters. You can start your wish. Control system. In the control system also start 40 hours here. 40 hours. Then as it is, again 10 hours. Revision plus test plus analysis, 10 hours. Before starting third subject here, while going to the next subject, you may forget the network here. So better the second revision is there na. You can do the before going to third subject to subject 1, revision 2, then start the third subject. Third subject, let us, I am taking signals and system. Signals. I am taking signals here. Like that you have to plan here. Plan. So many plannings are there, but whatever the plan, why utilize the day effectively. Utilize the day effectively. That 60 days, stick to the one planning only. Continuously, if you utilize the properly, I written only 12 or 10 hours only. But my suggestion here, every day prepare the 14 hours. Here I have counted only 10 hours only, but my suggestion prepare 14 hours. In the 14 hours, don't need to count eating time, taking bath and no. Only 14 hours for preparation, 6 hours for sleep, remaining for 4 hours only. you want something, you need to sacrifice something, dear. Okay, fine. This is for the long term, those who are preparing from long term, 1 year onwards. Next, those are starting beginners here. If you have the time, long term batch students, sir, what type of material I have to practice, sir? If you have the time only, so ACE, this workbook, bits and bytes, and if you have the time, EC people, all the PYQs, almost all subjects are common to the EC and electrical. Prepare the all PYQs of EC branch, PYQ of electrical, instrumentation PYQs. Okay, these things you have to practice. Those who are long term, if you have the time only, don't touch the textbooks. Now, next for beginners, students, some students are asking, sir, is it possible, sir, if you start the preparation now? Yes, you can possible, dear. Planning. Now, some students are asking, 70 days means 70 days, two categories. Beginners means there are two categories. Whether your total days, total full 70 days completely for gate only, 70 days completely for gate only. No, sir, I am college going student. I am college going student or I am employee. So that is a partially, I am complete full focus, full dedicated to the gate or partially. Means those are college, 70 days full focusing means plan, this planning only, dear. This planning only you have to execute. Now, those who are beginners, I am going to the college, sir, final student, I have to balance the placements and the gate also. I want to get the good rank also. Smart preparation is required. Smart preparation means something you have to take here. Every day, 6 hours preparation is required. How to possible, sir? 4:30 you have to get up. You have to start the preparation morning 4:30. Means after finishing everything, bath, everything, you have to start the preparation 4:30. 4:30 to 7:30. 3 hours morning. Then go to the college or any office. Now, evening 7:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. 10:30 p.m. Again 3 hours. So how many? Come on, 6 hours here. 6 hours here. 6 hours, but we have the 70 days. I am counting only 60 days only. Why? Because 10 days planning for same only. This last 10 days planning is whatever I given the 10 days here. This 10 days planning I given 10 days. Same planning. Last 10 days revision morning 6 to 1 o'clock, 2:30 to 5:30. Everyday test compulsory. Everyday test compulsory. Full length test and analysis of the above paper. This same common. This 60, okay, 60 into 6, 360 hours will get. 360 hours will get. But those who are starting beginners, finishing all 10 subjects is not possible. Practical is not possible. You have to speak practically. Preparing all 10 subjects is not possible practically. So practical not possible means what is the possibility we have to discuss. Possibility we will discuss. Yes, I am giving best strategy after discussing with the toppers, rankers, experts, though I am providing. This 360 hours here, you have to prepare 360 hours, 300 hours, full focus and 60 hours partially focus. So prepare maths aptitude compulsory, select remaining 3 or 4 subjects. With less time, scoring subject you have to select. Scoring subjects, around 6 subjects you have to score. 6 subjects here, 6 subjects. 6 subjects. Maths and aptitude, remaining 4 subjects, technically any subject. That could be signal system, network, controls, digital, your wish, your wish. Now 6 subjects. So you are getting 50 full focus, 50 hours for each subject here. Remaining 4 subjects, now totally 6 subjects are covered. Remaining 4 subjects here divided by 4, partially prepare, 15 hours, partially prepare. Partially means less means only prepare the short notes or formulas, but you have to touch every subject. Partially prepare 15 hours for that subject. Now, in this 15 hours, again same strategy for the previous. This 50 hours, 40 hours plus 10 hours. This 10 hours revision needed, test, subject test plus analysis. This 40 hours for the notes, prepare the notes. I recommend solve the previous year questions. Here in this 15 hours remaining 4 subject, solve the PYQs of that 4 subject and formulas. Only PYQs, formulas. PYQs, formulas is enough. To purchase the PYQ book itself in the market, it is required 1000 here. I'll recommend with a short time, and also that formulas you may not catch also, that explanation. So better I'll recommend take the ACE online pre-recorded 3 months course. So it approximately less, same cost only 2000 3000 approximately. So but you can save the time here. You can watch all the previous question is present and explanation with the faculty. These are my suggestion. Otherwise, you can go to the market, you can purchase the PYQ booklet, any booklet. So these are preparation plan here. So strategy for beginners, those who are concentrating partially. I have to balance the college, sir. I have to balance the job, sir. So many people are mailing, discussing with me. That is the reason why I come up with 4:30 to morning 7:30. You have to get up. No other option. You have to balance. And you can increase the number of hours also. Why? Because Sunday I'm not counting here. Sunday you have to prepare 14 hours. How many Sundays you will get? Approximately 2 months here. 2 months means 8 Sundays. 8 Sundays means 8 into 10 hours. 80 to 4 hours. Approximately 110 hours you can increase here. 110 hours here. That 110 hours you can make the strong here. Prepare the, write the online test series. All this one here. Last 10 days here. Only I counted 60 days now. Last 10 days, even though you are going to the college also, that last 10 days completely 100% focus morning to evening, 14 hours only gate only. Every day 2:30 to 5:30 compulsory write the gate exam. Why? Because our exam is 2:30 to 5:30. We need to tune to our brain. So, and also one more thing here, everyone must write this pre-gate exam here, enroll. This date is Jan 19th year, 19th January 2025. Okay, this is the exam. Now, this is those who are present A students, either classroom student, pre-recorded or online students. For them it is a free only. It is a free. Sir, I am third year student, sir. I am writing gate on the 2026, but my suggestion, it is a free. Now you have to write. You will get the practical experience. Before going to this exam, at least 3 to 4 subjects you have to prepare. Feel like that this exam is a final exam, final gate exam. Feel like that, then only go to this exam. I am telling those who are writing the third year 2026 gate, anyhow free now, you have to write this test also there. For A students, all the A mode students, it is a free only. Now you can take the scanner, remaining people, and register this exam here. So, okay, fine dear. So I given strategy, planning, so many plannings are available, best planning I given. Okay, fine. Now, is for anything dear, success formula, we require desire, not normal desire, burning desire. I want to enter into the IIT, that is a burning desire is required, burning desire. Now that desire and planning, I have provided planning. Any other planning also, best planning also you can execute, but planning. And one more thing, these two are everyone, but many people, all people are going to fail here 100%. This is the action here, action, implementation. Whatever I given on the paper, it is easy, but execution is a difficulty. This I'll give the 100% mark for this one only here, 100%. Many people are going to fail here on action. Action here, success formula. Now, initial days, you'll show the more interest here. But same thing continue up to gate exam. So with this one, I'm concluding here. I hope this session is useful for you. You enjoyed this session. So dear, up to gate exam, you people follow my strategy, planning and execute. After execution, you'll write the gate exam very well. So blessing from my side, all my students will write the gate exam nicely and you'll get the good rank. So don't stop dear, up to gate exam, same thing follow. So last one, blessings from my side here. Yes, don't stop when you're tired. While preparing the 70 days struggle, you may psychologically disturb, financially disturb, so many other people can disturb, but don't stop when you're tired dear. Stop when you're dying. So okay, when you are done dear, stop when you are done dear. Okay, with this one, I'm concluding the session.